I gave AI employee a 24 cold leads and a just 30 minutes to do a work of SDR. And mission is very simple. Research the company, research the decision maker, determine whether this company is a good fit, generate a score with the reason, and also identify the pain points. And finally, draft a personalized outreach email. Normally, SDR team takes more than a day to complete this work. So let's see whether this AI employee can do this in 30 minutes, or let's see how much time it does it take. Wow, 24 leads processed, 24 fit score generated, 24 pain point analysis created, and finally 24 personalized email drafted. And that is within less than 5 minutes. Believe it, normally SDR team takes more than a day. Now AI employee did in less than 5 minutes. So in today's video, I will showcase how normally traditional SDR team works and will compare the process with AI employee and what AI employee did behind the scene, how it generated score, what is the reason behind that, all of this, and how we created that AI employee. So I will walk you through the code also, so that you can also understand, you can also build AI employee very easily and very quickly. So let's start the journey. Managing leads as a sales development representative is not a simple task. It starts with gathering amount of data and organizing it in Excel sheets. Excel sheets are very massive and hard to maintain. After that, the most important part and the most critical part is the research phase. SDR dives into multiple websites, analyze each lead to determine it is a good fit for the product, and this needs a cross-checking details and understanding customer need. After that, the personalized emails are crafted specific to each lead profile and their pain points. This is exhaustive and time consuming process and take full day or even several days to complete. Now let's understand how the AI agent, the AI sales representative agent is working. Okay, how it is performing the SDR work. There are three action points. One is import leads, where we are manually importing the leads. We have gathered 24 leads and consolidated in an Excel sheet. The leads have basically three columns: the company name, and decision maker name, and the title. Okay, so title can be founder, CEO, or co-founder, anyone. Okay, so we have consolidated 24 leads. Now we are importing that leads manually. This is a manual activity. Okay, and then the second is a AI agent, where this AI agent will go through each company, research that company, go through the decision maker, research that decision maker by going through the various sites. Okay, based on this research, it generates a score, and it also specify the reason why this score is generated. It also gives the pain point also of that company. It is drafting a personalized email mentioning their pain points and how Organic AI can solve that purpose. So that's the AI agent is working. Okay, so we will deep dive into this, how this is working on the behind. We will walk you through the code also. And on the export to Excel, this is just a general like how we export this the Excel sheet into another Excel sheet. Okay, so let's see how this is working. Okay, so we are importing a lead, 24 leads, and we open, and then it has loaded. As of now, it is just showing it. Now we are running that agent, and let's see how much time this AI agent is taking, doing all of this research work, scoring, and everything. So look at this. It just took less than 5 minutes. To be very precise, took 4 minutes and 50 seconds to process all of these activities and generates a score also. Okay, so the normal SDR team, which takes a day or more than a day, now it is done in less than 5 minutes. So let's understand what type of research it has done, how it has generated this scoring. Let's click one of the research. So if you look at this one of the research, uh, it has mentioned that three key pain points. And like for Exasoft, it's a growing technology solution company, staffing managed. So it has also analyzed its researched its revenue also. Look at this, 9.7 million, and focus on operational efficiency. So it has pinpointed all of these three pain points: manual processes, staffing, operational complexity, and finally it is recommended a solution also. So for the same Exasoft, if you look at this based on the pain point and the research, and it has written a personalized email. I noticed that recently opened an Kochi. So this is, it has researched from various website and now came to know by this research that it has opened a new office in Kochi, and which is again based on that, it is now saying that over analyzed tool is providing insight. So it's a completely customized email mentioning their pain points. Okay, so let's check another one for Rex revenue operation. Again, all of this is customized email is sent, and maybe there is another. So look at this, all of these emails have a different subject and different content. Okay, so these are the personalized. So let's go to another research by, let's see, the elevating Sapard restaurant management. So it is saying, I admire how Spard established a leading cloud post platform, particularly recent initiative integrating AI into this operation. Given your focus on streamlining complex process, I believe our AI agent can. So again, it has checked their complex process. This is their pain point, and then it is suggesting how AI, Ganix AI can help. Okay, so let's see what is the research and how much score it has generated for this restaurant. Okay, and look at this, it has generated it has generated 8 out of 10, and uh, this is the summary. Okay, why it is 8? This is the fit summary of that. What are the pain points? So operational complex in managing restaurants. So this is there, these are the three pain points, and this is the recommendation. So based on this, it is drafting a customized email. Okay, so that's how this AI agent work. Okay, so let's go and deep dive to this AI agent, like how this agent is built, what is the code behind that, and how it is internally working. Let's do a deep dive on the code part. This is the AI agent that we have built, and so let me quickly walk you through the code. And this is the small course that I intentionally set it very small so that you can understand it easily. And if you look at this, we have used a crewai. Crewai is a agentic framework. Okay, so it works on the top of LangChain, but it is merely focused on the AI agent work. Okay, and we have used GPT-4 Mini LLM, and we have used the Serper Dev tool. Serper Dev tool is kind of, you can say, it's a search engine. It's a Google search engine, and we have used it for searching the company, and the person belongs to that company. Okay, and we have built a agent. So in the agent, we have specified the role is a sales development representative, and goal is to qualify the inbound leads and draft the personalized outreach. And backstory is like it is a kind of a experienced SDR. Okay, and it will search the company and the person before drafting an email. And search tool, we have already specified, this is the Serper Dev tool. So all of this company and the person belongs to the company will be searched from various websites using this tool. And the LLM behind is GPT-1, GPT-4. And the verbose true I have intentionally set so that once we walk you through the code, then how it is actually working behind. So that's why I set it as a true. Okay, and for this demo purpose, I have specified only the two leads, so that you can understand it how these two leads internally work. But on a production environment, these are the dynamic. Okay, in the demo also I have created a UI where we import the 24 leads, and then it searches through all of this tool, and then based on the, then it generates a score and then draft the email. So now, in order to qualify these leads, I have created a two tasks. One is a qualify task, another is an email task. In the qualify task, specify the research, the company, the name of the person who belongs to company, and the title. And after the research, for researching purpose, it is using an agent, and agent internally using a search tool. Okay, once it research the company, and based on the research, it will generate a score between 1 to 10, and based on that, it will specify whether it's a fit for our project and delivery work, for IT consultancy service or IT service firms. And whatever the score it has generated, there should be some kind of a two line justification why this score is generated. Okay, and this is a qualified task. Once the task is qualified, then the next task is sending or drafting an email. So the qualified leads, we have to send a personalized email for them. So it will be totally based on the research that is done by this qualify agent. Okay, and based on that, it will draft an personalized email. Okay, and this is the final, the crewai. We have specified the SDR agent, two tasks. We can specify multiple, but in this case we have specified two tasks. Verbose, again I have set up true because I want to see what is working behind in there. Okay, and then once the crew AI is working, then we'll show the complete result. Okay, so let me quickly run this agent. Okay, uh, so I'm just running this, and here you can see it has started running. Crew AI started, and the task is also started at the backend, and the agent has started working on that. First, it has done with the serper to search a Ganic CI query. Okay, and then second, it has searched for the Manu Sharma CEO Ganic site. Search for the person also. One is a company, another is a person. Okay, and the search result is here, and this is coming because of the verbose I have set it true. Okay, and you can see here, based on this task, for the search, it has searched for the various information like email, founder, CEO, all of this. Like it has searched for the various websites like rocket reach. Okay, and then cognitive world. So here you can see there are some other Manu also there, right? Manu Sharma is aerospace engineer, but still I'm not an aerospace engineer. Okay, so it searches all of these, and it has search from the LinkedIn also. Okay, so various sites it has searched. So this is my profile also. Okay, and then this is the Ganic CI search. Okay, so it has searched all of this. Like you can see for the Ganic CI, this is my LinkedIn profile. So all of the, and this is the Ganic CI profile. So this is the result coming from the task. Okay, and based on that, the SDR has generated a score 8 out of 10. Okay, why? There are two reasons. One is Ganic CI led by focus on AI driven no code low code, because Organic is a low code no code platform, and it has fetched from the search. Okay, and can streamline, making it a strong fit for IT services. Okay, and Sharma's extensive experience in building SaaS platform. So because of these two reasons, it has marked it as a 8. Okay, and this task is completed. Okay, and the second task, again it is working on the back end for other Satya Nadella also. Okay, so this is the work that it is working behind. Okay, so doing all of this work, and this is also again at the back end work. Okay, this is the final answer, and at the end of this, by searching the Satya Nadella also, all of this, the final result is this. Okay, so subject is enhancing project delivery. So this is for the Microsoft. Oh, sorry. This is the final. For one task, Manu at the Ganix say it is a personalized email. Okay. So this is the email it is drafted. This, you can see your name position is coming like this because we haven't specified agent name. If we specify a agent name, its designation, then automatically this will come. Okay, pre-filled. And similarly for Satya Nadella also, this is the draft email, personalized email for that. So this is how this AI agent works. Okay. In the video, I have created some kind of a user interface. So I don't want to complicate this video because I want to make this video as small. But you can easily understand how AI agent or maybe your AI employee work. Okay. So before I conclude this episode, I want to share you something exciting. Over the next 4 to 6 weeks, I am launching a live online program where we will build 12 AI employees together. We will build AI employee for HR, for sales, for marketing, for project management, and many more. We will also build a AI manager that can coordinate the work between all of these AI employees and provides a consolidated summary of activity. This is not a theory course. We will build a real AI employee. We will structure this program in such a way that in each AI employee, we will separate the front end part, the AI agent part, the APIs, the integration part, so that you can understand how the production AI ready applications are built. Knowledge of Python is good to have. Even if you are not expert, that is also fine. I will explain you each and everything step by step, and also will explain you how the different pieces of code can fit together. You will get source code, you will also get the architecture diagram, the documentation, and the recording of the session also. I am intentionally keeping the batch very small so that we can interact each other, share our ideas, and build the complete ecosystem, AI ecosystem together. So if you are interested, please comment AI employee on the comment section, or you can send an email with a subject AI employee to my email address, which is manu@phoenixai. And based on your response, I will share you the complete curriculum, the schedule, and the registration process. So in the next video, we will build another AI employee number 2. So see you in the next video. Thank you.